Welcome to It's All Gravy. Today's video, we're making a killer sandwich, the Katsu Sando. We're wanting juicy fat pork steaks. So cut your fillets in half and butterfly them. Next, lay out some cling film, which will help protect the meat while batting them out. Batting them out helps tenderize them and creates even thickness for cooking. Season the flour with salt. Be generous, as very little will actually stick to the meat. 2 tablespoons of chili powder and combine. Whisk your eggs with 25 ml of hot sauce. We've used reds as it adds a nice acidity. We've chosen to use Japanese panko breadcrumbs. These give the final result an incredibly crispy texture. Cover your steak in flour, knocking off any excess before dipping into the egg. Let the egg drain before covering in breadcrumbs. Onto the tonkatsu sauce. This is a style of Japanese barbecue sauce. 4 tablespoons of tomato ketchup, 3 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, 1.5 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1/4 tablespoon of garlic powder, and 1/4 tablespoon of mustard powder. Mix until smooth. Next, the mustard mayo. 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, shred nice and thinly 1/4 head of hispy cabbage. Preheat a large frying pan with a good depth of oil to about 180 degrees, turning over after 2 or 3 minutes to colour on both sides. Drain on paper. You'll end up with 2 amazingly crispy steaks. Toast your bread on one side. Then you can start building your sandwich. Any cheap white bread will do, but ideally thickly sliced. Cover each slice with mustard mayo, then add cabbage. Be generous with this, as it will add a freshness and crunch. Next, your pork steaks, followed by a thick layer of tonkatsu sauce. Sliced cheese, sweet pickles, there you have it, one of my favourites to impress, the killer Katsu Sando. Don't forget, if you like the video, click the like button and subscribe.